Today, the state of Michigan is responding to our story about a crunch when it comes to renewing certain professional licenses. A lot of people have been caught in the middle of this COVID-19 ripple effect, including patients who need support. Paula Tutman brings us this update. Paula.
And this is what they're saying now.
Rhonda Ravenel sent me this video this morning. It's of her trying to arrange to take a test to be recertified as a temporary limited licensed psychologist, or TLLP. In short, she says, as a master's level clinical psychologist, she is licensed to practice counseling while she continues her education. Normally, she works as a contract school psychologist, except she can't anymore. Because like many others, her license to practice expired September 29th, and she is struggling to find access to recertification testing that's limited by COVID shutdowns.
Today, I went online to try to set an appointment up so that I can take this exam, and I was unable to get in.
We first told you about this story and the many practitioners who are losing their license to practice.
I actually heard from some clients yesterday, and I couldn't service them, because I don't have a license, and it's disheartening, especially during this time, Paula. It's a pandemic. People are suffering mentally.
In 4 separate attempts, we have asked a representative of LARA, or the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, to address the complaints. And at every turn, they have declined an actual interview, but did send written answers to my many questions. According to LARA, 93 TLLPs had licenses that were about to lapse in March. They were given a 6-month extension to take and pass the recertification test. In September, 86 licenses did expire. Another 33 will expire before December. The interim LARA communications director says in an email that, despite getting as many as 5,000 emails a week, staff and teams at the Bureau of Professional Licensing within LARA have continued to provide a high level of customer service and in many ways have proven to be more productive despite having to work through the ever-changing environment and adjusting to how COVID-19 pandemic has affected all of us. In that statement, LARA also basically says that they have the licensees have a responsibility to follow the rules and requirements. They've been flexible. They need to do what they need to do to keep their licenses from lapsing. I got to tell you, I've gotten even more complaints from these mental health professionals who are saying they're losing their licenses and they can't get access to be recertified, which of course means we're not done with this yet.
Yeah, absolutely right. At a time when so many people need them as well. Amazing stuff. All right, Paula. All right.